Hi guys, good morning. It's another day in paradise, and today we are, of course, going to explore more places here in Aruba. Right now, we are planning to go to Mulligans and Windows. So, yeah, guys, let's go check it out. Some events in here. Links at TV, weekly tournaments, pro shop, polygons, windows, and of course to go to the golf course, guys, we need proper golf attires. Let's go in, girls, this way. Morning.
Do we need a reservation? Yeah. Oh, okay. At dinner.
This is Aruba Guys restaurant, and when you go in to dine here, you have to book, right? But you get to see the beautiful view of the golf course and of course the sunset at night. That's restroom now. Beautiful golf course. This beautiful day. So nice. So that's the front view of DV Village again.
Thank you.
Here are the passengers. Alright guys, so we are in the taxi right now. We're gonna go downtown and see what we'll do next. So 2 days in the beach, and now she is sporting her 10 line, guys. There you go. Yes. Look at that. Lechon cherry.
Lobster.
Lobster chair, okay.
Lobster.
Oh yeah, actually makes sense because you're from the beach. Instead of being a lechon, you're lobster here.
Thank you. And the end.
So guys, since we are here, of course, we need to take a photo with the I Love Aruba sign. And as you can tell, the girls are already here.
Okay. Mga pinyong talaga.
There's a theater, guys. If you feel like watching a movie, probably right after you swim and all that. So yeah, the movies at the Renaissance. Visit them. Look at this view, guys. So beautiful. I'm sure there's a lot of fish in that beach because I can see some seaweeds right there. All right, let's keep going. Guys, it's so relaxing in here. It's a little bit outside downtown Aruba. That's why, as you can see, I mentioned that a while ago, the water is not as, as clear. It's not all white sand. There's some seaweeds right there or some sea plants. So there's probably also a lot of fish right there. And yeah, over there on those trees, I saw also some birds. So yeah, it's beautiful, so relaxing. See those birds, guys? I don't know what kind of bird they are. If you know, please comment down below. There's lots of them, guys. I see 5 there and there's 2 right here. Wow. Beauty of nature. Guys, there are tiny fishes right there. Okay, so now we are here where the sign of Aruba is. I mean, another sign of Aruba. It says Plaza Turismo. So the plaza is right there at the back with Sweet scratching her legs. And this one, of course, is just in front of the Talk of the Town Hotel and Beach Club. So guys, the sign of Aruba is there. Very nice. Ooh, there's a shell. Look at that, guys. Aside from fish, there's some shells in here. I'm gonna keep it in the water. Let's see if there's someone inside. Woo! Someone's there. Here's another shell. The pelicans. Cheers. Cheers, guys. Lunches here. We have Caribbean blackened chicken. We have seafood ceviche, and the other one is catch of the day, which is the mahi mahi. So that's it. Yes, we're reading the house rules. Oh, we are reading the. Okay, guys. So attention. This pool area is reserved for members and guests of the Dutch Village Resort, DV Village Golf Resort. That's where I am, and Tamarind Resort. So this one is the DV Dutch Village Beach Resort, Aruba. So guys, we did a very long walk today, so that's why. Look at this too. Knocked down. Tired, but feeling good. And here's the tennis court, guys. So we had our lunch at Lucy's. It was good. The total amount was $54, and there's like an example of the tip that we can give. It's like 20%, 18 and 15%. So $54, we're talking about in US currency, and we decided to give $65, so it's like $11 tip, and it was all good right in front of the looks like a marina. So that's it, guys. We'll see what else we will do today.